Welcome back to Hot Rods World. Today, I'm working on my carburetor. I think the last time you saw it, it was the last pass of the season. I don't know if you guys heard it, but it seemed like it was loading up, like I had some trash or something in there. So we'll just take it apart. I'm gonna clean it real quick, and with my limited knowledge of carburetor cleaning, I watched a couple of videos. So take it take it apart, make sure everything's clean, put it on, and see if we can get it started up today. If everything goes successful, if it goes really bad, I'll box it up in pieces and send it to Prosystems. I think last time I did it a couple years ago, it's probably like the cleaning service, which I think includes new gaskets and stuff like that. It's like $100 some, so probably $200 now. But let's see how it goes. And if it works out as I expect, I'll be starting up today. If it don't, then it'll be going in the box by the end of this video. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see how it goes anyway. So I think y'all seen it before. It's a 4150 style carburetor. I don't think I have to take the whatchamacalls off. Let's see if that works. Make sure this dog leg goes back under this. Don't forget, because I have made that mistake, so it's got to go. Don't go a certain way. It's got to go under this thing here. Like so. And that just fits right under there. Huh?
Can I grab it and show them?
Huh?
Pick it up and show them?
Put it back. It don't matter. Got Reagan in here helping on this thing here, so. And then we'll do the other side, then we'll put it back on so we can get some fuel pressure in this thing here. Just tighten these bolts up. Like you say, worst case, start leaking and messing up, I'll send it off. So always try to do it yourself if you can. If you can't or don't feel comfortable, send it off. I mean, hey, ain't no shame in it. I'm just trying to do a little bit more. And I got to be careful not to over tighten these bolts because I will. So I'll just. You got to zoom in so far, right? Side down, so let's see if we can knock this other side off, and then we'll check this out, so make sure we got getting good, and then let's see if we can get it, maybe we can get it fired up today. I don't know. Like you say, last time I had to hit it, just tap it lightly. Knock it off. First thing I'm gonna do is inspect this gasket around here, just make sure it's not tore. You can see it'll get a little fuel out there, but that looks good on this side. Just gonna clean up a little bit. And like I say, I had it rebuilt probably I think maybe a season or so ago. And I don't see any trash in here. Float looks like this is a float valve in here that when you set this up, this you know, makes your eye level, your fuel come up. So it looks pretty good. It's not sticking or anything, so it should float pretty good. So let's take our fuel and blow it out since I got some help. I'm gonna just I'm blowing out on the backside, right? It's gonna come out this side. Got help today. So. It's supposed to come out of that one and this one. Guess there's a mixture screw in there. Okay. Well, I'm not going to take it no farther than that. Like you say, I'm not going to take the. I think this base plate could come off on other ones, but it looks like it may be tied on these dowel pins. I'm not going to go that far. If it don't work, I'll send it off. Okay. So, all right. Let's see if we can reassemble it. Like I said, I checked the floats. Just clean up some stuff while we got it out. Something we can do right here. You can feel there's a little spring in there. As long as it feels like it's not sticking, that should be good too. Like you say, if it's something I missed, you can always put in the comments, and we'll get it right next time. Or I'll pull it back off and look at it. But like I said, just make sure she's under here. On the car, I don't put antifreeze in the motor. I just drain all the water out. It's just a lot of hassle when you got water in it. And antifreeze trying to get it cleaned out. So. Got that gasket, it kind of sits in there. I don't want to tighten it too tight, over tighten them, get one more snug around. Because I have been known to over tighten bolts and break them, so I try to hold it high and tight so I don't got much leverage on it. Alright, I think that's it. So we'll get it, bolt it back on, and check it out from there, see if we can get it running.